Hey everybody, you are back with another video with saklesmiles. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the #1 thing that you can do to make your thumbnails more attractive. Thumbnails are so important when it comes to YouTube videos. It helps attract viewers to your channel. It shows your subscribers that you are gifted and talented and can produce great videos. Thumbnails are the first thing that people see when they go to your channel or when they see your video in the YouTube scroll. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your thumbnails pop, stand out in front of all other thumbnails that people see on a regular. I'm going to show you guys how to present yourself in pictures, so that way when you do put it on the thumbnails, you stick out, how to enhance your thumbnails, all of that. Thumbnails are so important in the YouTube world for our content creators. Thumbnails is what will help you gain your subscribers, your watch hours, and your views. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. The app that I use to do my thumbnails is called Adobe Express. I will put it in the description box down below, along with all like the costs and things like that. I do know that they have a free trial, so you could try it out for like 7 days. But I think there is a monthly cost for most people. But if you're just using one app, the cost may be lower. Okay, so Adobe Express, this allows me to do like Instagram posts, flyers, Instagram stories, logos, YouTube thumbnails, anything you could think of. So in the top it says create new project. So I'm gonna click on YouTube thumbnails. So you have a choice. You can add your own gallery, or you could search YouTube thumbnails. This is the easiest, to search YouTube thumbnails. See, they got cute little plan with me. I might use that on a future one. That one's very pretty. Save money apartment hunting, travel vlogs. Like, they have ones that are already pre-made for you, but you can make your own. I feel like the uniqueness is better with thumbnails, making your own. These are all already pre-made, you know. These are all professional ones that you could just pick and be done with it. Whatever you're thinking about, wardrobe, cafe, music, mistakes to avoid, things like that, they're all done out for you. But for me, I'm gonna start fresh because I'm gonna do this for the video. So I'm gonna click on the blank. Okay. So this is what will show up when you click on the blank. So you have to click on add to add a background. We're gonna start with the background first. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do, for this video, we'll just pretend and say, this is gonna be called saving money while camping or whatever. So I'm gonna click on backgrounds here. Alright, so I'm gonna search everything that has to do with camping now. So let's see, let me see if I put camp. See if anything shows up. Okay, they have this one thing with like woods and trees and canopies and tents and stuff. Let me try another word. Put a tent. So they have a little mountains here. Let me put woods. See if anything pops up for woods. Okay, here's a whole bunch of wood stuff. So the key with thumbnails is that you don't want it to be too crowded. You don't want too many objects in it. You don't want it to be too chaotic. You want it to be nice and clear, so a person can read the font, see your picture, and see the thumbnail. I think it's very, very, very important to put your picture on your thumbnail, picture of your face. If you can, if you can't, that's okay. But if you can, I think it's very important. I always put a picture on my face on my thumbnails, because I feel like you have to see who's talking about the video, you know, and certain people get certain type of support. So I feel like it's very important to put your face on your thumbnails. So you want to pick a thumbnail that's not too chaotic. You don't want too much stuff going on. Okay, I'm gonna try to put, well, woods has a lot of good stuff. I'm gonna try to put forest now to see if there's anything in there. Anything camping like in the forest. Alright, I think, I'm not sure if I put, no, I didn't put tent yet. I'm gonna try tent, campfire. Okay. I think I saw one that I liked in the forest. Okay. And also, if you don't like any of these thumbnails, what's great about this app is that you can just go on Google and search what you're looking for. Search for regular pictures, images in the Google, and save it to your phone, and then upload it here on the app as your background. So you don't have to pick what's in this app, which is good. Alright, so for camping, I'm gonna pick this one. This looks like a good one. Add one. Okay, so it gives you this option. You can either pin to background or move freely. For the background, you want to do pin to background. Whenever you pick an image or a gallery or whatever, a photo, they're going to ask you these two options, pin to background and move freely. So, if it's your background picture and you know you're not going to touch it, you're not going to do anything with it, you're not going to resize it, you're not going to do anything, you're going to click pin to background. But if you want to move it freely, you'll be able to delete your background and move it around, move it sideways, left, right, whatever. So we're going to do pin to background. Okay. So for this, we're going to put a text. We'll just say edit, save money while camping. Always put exclamation points. You want this to make it seem like this is a video that people cannot skip over. Like, this is very important. Save money while camping. I'm going to change the color because we do want it to stick out. Change it to white. And then I'm going to add effects to it, outline, background of it. And I'm going to change that color to, I want something kind of bright. And it's going to stick out. Okay, we're going to do dark gray, because you can still read that. Done. And then you're going to do the font. There you go. Nice and thick. So this will definitely stick out. Then hit done. Alright, save money while camping. And so what's great about this app as well is that you can see they put the little purple lines there to show that you're centered. So that way it all looks good. You don't want to be off with your measurements as well, because it just won't look good. Alright, save money while camping. Now I'm going to click add, and I'm going to add a picture of myself. It's going to go into my gallery, but I'm just going to blank it out. So my gallery on my phone is not on here. Just going to find a quick picture of myself. I have so many pictures on my phone. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Add one. Alright, I'm gonna click move freely. So this picture is obviously when I was on vacation. There ain't no palm trees in this forest. But alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it. You don't need to be in a bathing suit in the forest. And then like that. Done. Make it bigger. And then I'm going to remove the background. Remove background. Let's see how this comes out. Perfect. Save money while camping. Still looks like I'm kind of naked, so I'm just going to push it down a little bit. Boom. So look, you know what the video is talking about, you know what it's about, you know the background, and you know who is talking in the video. Alright, so now I'm just going to, so if you want, you can leave it like this, or you can add little logos or shapes or backgrounds or things like that. So I'm gonna search the shapes. So I'm just gonna put camp. And this is what comes up with camping. So be careful with these shapes, because these shapes might just mess up your background picture. Sometimes less is more when it comes to thumbnails. So because my background picture already has like the woods and the trees and all that stuff in me, I'm going to be very careful what I pick to add on to it. So let me just give you an example. I'm going to pick this tent. Add one. Okay, now I can change the color to white. Okay, so see if I put this over here in the corner, away from the trees, so it doesn't look too bad. Alright, now I'm going to add another shape. Let's just put fire. Get ourselves a little campfire going on. Right there, add one. Change the color to white. Alright, so I got myself a little fire going on, because that all has to do with camping. I might just leave it like this. Alright, so it has my title here, it has the trees in the background, the woods in the background, the scenery. Perfect. It has me with the light shining into the woods behind me. It has a little camp tent, little campfire, and I think we're good with this. So now a couple of things that we can do to make this just pop out more when people are scrolling. I'm gonna click on my picture. I'm gonna go to enhance, and then I'm gonna go to sharpen, and I'm gonna move it up. Boom. See how bright my face got? Like that just sticks out more. It's almost like 3D. Done. And then for this one, I'm kind of gonna add like some effects. Let me see. There you go. Boom. So the picture now, so now the text is like popping out at you. The picture's popping out at you. Like this, someone will definitely click on this. Alright, now for the background of this, I'm going to put, let me see how gray looks. Yeah, gray looks pretty good. I'm gonna do gray. Gray. Done. And there we go. Save money while camping. That's poking out at you. My picture is poking out at you. Beautiful picture. Little campfire, all that. So you know what the video is about. So like when you see this done, you can save it, and you know you're good to go. Someone will definitely click on this thumbnail because it just sticks out at you. There's not too much going on. It's not too crowded, not too overwhelming. You know what you're gonna get. You know who you're gonna see. You know what it's about, and that's it. Alright you guys, that is it for thumbnails. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to see how I put pictures together and graphics together and pictures together, and how I enhanced thumbnails and all that. These are the thumbnails that will get you more views and more clicks to your channel. Thumbnails are so important. So I hope you guys take my little training video and run with it. This will help you a lot for all my new YouTubers out there. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!